course, that's an easy answer. It's that moment when I picked up the Mercedes-AMG E63S from Mercedes-Benz. Why? Because it's just the perfect car. It's got enough space to comfortably fit the family, ferry them around, schools, work, holidays, and also it's got the B-road performance just for me when the family is not around. What else do you want? If I had to pick 3 things I dislike about the car, well, 1, it cost over ringgit. 2, I can't afford it. And 3, does it magically appear in front of my house every morning. If I had to have a 1-car garage, it'd have to be the Mercedes-AMG E63S. That's a silly question, you know that. I'm truly, madly, deeply in love with that car. It's just perfect for everything. It can do either. It can please me when the family not around, and it can please the family when they need me to be around. So yeah, by the way, wife, if you're watching this, beg, borrow, steal, I don't know, just try to get me the car. But enough about me. What about you guys, you fathers out there? If you had to have a 1-car garage, what would it be? And by the way, happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there.